them a pro.
I'm a girl, them
evil.
Them give me head in a
My vehicle.
Tint up anywhere where me go. Take another shot.
I guess I'm vegan.
Reaction.
Boom, yo, Denzi, before the video start, my general, as me I say, cause long time I to hear music too, as me I say, Belize, big up all our Belize, big up all our subscribers and from our Belize, subscribe to the channel right now. We have 9 days we are trying to reach 20k before the end of October, so subscribe. Anyways, Denzi, we are saying now, our section up and for them in the dog, as me I say, especially I say tags, as me I say, you know, no tags right there, so my general, just some tags in the video, so video get recommends to more people. You know me I say. Anyways, and what's up from Denzi is called Evil. Evil! I don't know, it's chopping now because see what I go on your island boy. You see me, I just read to a video from one of the artists named D and one of the big batting girl over Belize. People, December I will be in Belize in December. I go plan it up with the dogs them over there and so I can go on, maybe I can get throw a party or something in December, but I plan to go Belize in December, so comment on the video, see your comment there, so. Follow me on Instagram and tell them which I forgot. Yeah, but the club them call Shisha on Thursdays. Me try to find out what going on with Belize. So talk to me. Cap the merchandise. Reaction boss. Anyways, Denzi, Evil. We see what going on. Never hear the song yet. We see what going on. Run it. Yeah. Mama love. The girl step. Go on! DJ Meds, make up yourself. Yeah.
Bad girl, we love that.
Yeah.
You left, you know you're coming right back.
Alright.
Sit down, girl.
What we love? Bad girl, we love that. Anytime you left me know you're coming right back. But my general, me see her.
We love that.
How are Instagram people? Send me her Instagram. Per Instagram. Send her Instagram to me, people. Life of Terry. Go follow me too. But send me her Instagram. I want to talk to she. When I reach her Belize, I carry on one day, 2 times. You see me and say, pipe on the body.
Anytime you left, you know you're coming right
back.
Sit down, girl. Don't chat. Anything you tell your girl, you know we done that. From the first time she give me now, she done come.
Yeah.
By your knees and suck it till me done.
Oh gosh.
Enough money so you know me have enough fun.
Aye. That's enough money so you don't have enough fun. Baby girl, make you pay for anything you want. And then see me, whenever you hear about him, a bad artist. Go on.
I'm a girl, them evil. Them give me head in a me vehicle.
Go.
Where me go. Take another shot of Casamigo.
Go. But I'm not lying to you. Wala. My G. What them take a shot at me G? What them say?
Tint up anywhere where me go. Take another shot of Casamigo.
So it empty. The cast are done. But guess what? We got it done, sir! Go on!
Don't play with me, star. Just want to enjoy my life. The girl them evil. Them give me head in a me vehicle.
I'm not gonna stop using a second, dog. It's a yes, road it. Go on!
The amount of money when we spend them think me win the lotto.
Yeah.
Work hard every day, you know me coming at you.
Yeah.
Top shelf me a pop when we speaking battle.
Yeah.
You're pretty bad bitch, you fuck low on the floor.
Low and model, I'm not gonna lie. You see the models in my bellies, them acts, them are happen. You see me I say, or maybe the artists them, or you see me I say, or them, brother, I don't know how I do it, but the man them I pick the right girl them for the video them. Every time I say video, I say, woo, wait. Anyway, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I'm picking the right female for the videos. Me like, see them, me love them. Right now, I want another video, I go on. Me not gonna lie. If you not have a man, well, go on. If you're single, text my Instagram. And my dead ass right now, I'm so honest right now. Like, text me. If you're single, reach down my DM on Instagram, Life of Tariq, it right here, so baby. Yeah, man, looking at me, you think me a lie? Blood clot!
Pure pretty bad bitch, you fuck low on the floor, model, take on the top of your toe.
Babble.
She a pull for the door, but she not ready to go home cause I'm more trouble. The way you do your thing, you know me proud of you.
Yeah.
We keep flexing on, so nobody come try stress me, girl.
Yeah.
We don't have time for no texting now.
None at all.
Give me what you waiting for, eh? If your love's not chat, you have to make a pause. Girl, your boom boom fast. what you love do the most. Well, yeah, well done, the toes, them a broke. Well, yeah, well.
I like her body. I like her body. It's like you make a song about her, I'm a generalism, me I say. Evil girl, bad girl, me love that. Pretty cute face of it. Hey, ride it.
I'm a girl, them
evil.
Them give me head in a
My vehicle.
Tint up anywhere with me go. Take another shot.
I guess I'm vehicle.
Don't play with me, style. Just want to enjoy my
Life.
The girl, them
Evil.
Them give me head in
I'm
a
a vehicle. I like it. I like it, chorus. Go on.
Enough money, diamond rings and cars.
Yeah.
Hold on when college take off. Drape on the beat and no man a star. You better know if we play your part. Play with it, don't play with me.
Yeah.
I'ma make straight milli, 8 digit. I don't know, stay with your body, stay valid. Me I get the best style. I'm a girl, them
Evil.
Them give me head in
I'm
a
a vehicle. Take another
anywhere with me
amigo. Take another shot like I'm Miss Amigo.
Don't play with me, style. Just want to
Enjoy my life.
The girl, them
Evil.
Them give me head in a vehicle.
Then same name people. Don't know it chop. Take another shatter. Take another shatter. Take another shatter. Don't know it chop. Big up yourself Island Film. Isn't me as Island Films? Island what? Island Boys. Island Boy. I don't know chap. Anyways, reaction bar sign out. Isn't me as enjoy the video. Next video, should I tell you which video I get next? It's the next Belize video I get in. But I'm telling you now which one I know. I just drop it phone in tomorrow, man. Easy yourself, man. Easy yourself now, man. I'm gonna do it right now, stay so. Like, comment, subscribe. Remember, we're on the road to 20k subscribers, so please subscribe to the channel right now if you're not yet subscribed to the Reaction Boss channel.